Hi, everyone, and welcome to our channel where we share tips and advice on how to manage your personal finances and invest wisely. Today, we'll be discussing some simple yet effective strategies that can help you make the most out of your money. First and foremost, it's important to start with a solid budgeting plan. Take a close look at your income and expenses and identify areas where you can cut back and save. Setting a budget and sticking to it can help you achieve your financial goals faster and more effectively. Once you have a budget in place, it's time to start thinking about investing. Many people are intimidated by the idea of investing, but it doesn't have to be complicated. The key is to start small and gradually build your portfolio over time. Consider investing in low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, which provide exposure to a broad range of assets while minimizing risk. It's also important to diversify your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. Finally, don't forget to stay informed and keep learning. There are countless resources available to help you learn about personal finance and investing, from online courses and podcasts to books and blogs. By staying informed and keeping up with the latest trends and insights, you can make informed decisions that will help you achieve your financial goals. That's all for today's video. We hope you found these tips helpful and informative. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more personal finance and investing advice. Thanks for watching.